Alright, what is up, traders? Welcome to the show. It's Crypto Emergency Meeting. You already know how we do it. Guys, this is BTC USDT on my screen, and the last trade got discombabulated. I was saying that there was a head and shoulder pattern right here forming on the daily time frame, and whenever these chart patterns form on the daily time frame, it's most likely gonna play out. But what I didn't know for a certain was the level where the right shoulder was gonna be forming. There were two levels: one, this level where I marked, and two, this level right here, which was a low of a Monday's range, and that was where the low for the right shoulder eventually formed. I was short on this trade because I was expecting the market to still come downwards here. This was like my premium level to enter a long, and then I said that if the market came here, it could be a short. If it came here, it could be a short. But once it broke this level, then it means we were completely wrong on the short, and the right trade was going to be a long. And that's exactly what happened. The market took out all of these supply zones, broke this level, and since then we've had a massive pump of about, goddamn, 22% move on BTC in 2 days. Guys, this is massive. That's massive, baby. And because of this pump right now, the market has changed completely. The market scenarios have changed. We're no longer stuck in the range. The market is no longer as bearish as it was in the past few weeks and months. People are beginning to call for bull markets. Are we truly now in the bull market? Well, I can't say that for sure, and the reason is because we still need more clarity in the market. We can't just base our decision on a pump. Even though the pump is very impressive, we still need more confirmation, because right now, if you look at this chart, we are currently at a major supply zone on the daily time frame. This entire region is a supply zone on the daily time frame. There's an FVG right there. There's an order block, and the entire region is a supply zone. The market has been pumping 22%, and it has come straight into this region right here, this 76,300 region. So what we're gonna do right now is wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do next. We don't know what it wants to do. You cannot guess what the market does right now. You just have to wait for more confirmation. Taking any decision right now is just gonna be guessing without data, without facts, and that can land you in trouble really quickly. However, two things can happen. The first is that we just continue to pump. Maybe we come down a little bit, pump. If we break this region by any means, guys, the bull market is completely back. Bears are cooked, and it is up only. Of course, there are gonna be pullbacks, but most of the trades are gonna be buy trades going forward. The second scenario is that we still come back down to fill some of these gaps right here, and then who knows, this level holds, we pump, or we break down, come here, we pump. This is less likely scenario, but we'll see how it goes. I really don't know what's going to happen in the market right now. We have to wait. I need more information on this market to decide, and there's one indicator that can help me decide better. It's a very simple indicator. Is the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. I'm going to turn that on right now and tell you what I'll be expecting for that indicator to give me a direction. So let me turn that on. So this is it, and I'm going to show you why this indicator is reliable. So how do I use this indicator? Especially when there's a massive pump like this, I turn on that indicator on the daily time frame and I wait. Right now we've broken the EMA 200. If the market comes back down slowly and we see a sustained buy pressure in the market, it's a buy. As long as the market doesn't break down towards this level, I mean below the 200 EMA, if it continues to stay up this way, we buy. But if it breaks down and there's a sustained pressure on the market from this level, it's a sell. So for shorts, if the market is above the 200 EMA, you buy. If it's below, you sell. And I'm going to show you history of where this indicator has worked. The first is this level right here. If you look at this chart right here, you'd see that when the market came here, it tested it, it came down, retested it again, and the moment it couldn't break it back and stay sustained for a long period of time above the 200 EMA, the market fell. Here's another scenario. Look at this region. Again, the market came very close, didn't even test it this time around, but the fact that it couldn't break above it, the next thing that happened was that it fell. The same thing right here. For this level, the market broke it right here. The moment it broke it and didn't break back down, there was a sustained push upwards, and this level just kept acting as support. The moment we broke it right here, closed below with the body retests, there was a struggle right here, eventually we broke it, and the moment we broke it right here, look at this, we've been selling, retest, sell. If we go even further, there's a scenario that looks like what's happening right here. So I'm going to go back down. If we go to 2022, this region right here, something similar happened to what's happening right now. We were in a downtrend and all of a sudden there was a pump in the market. There was a break above the 200 EMA this way, but that break wasn't sustained. Eventually we broke back down and couldn't go back up, and immediately we did that, the market dumped. How many percent did the market dump in 2022? Let's see that. It still dumped 66% after a retest over the 200 EMA. I don't know if that's what's going to happen this time around, but we have to wait and see. So having said that, and having looked at all of this history that has played out in the past and how the 200 EMA has been a deciding factor, we are going to be waiting to see what happens this time. Is the market going to sustain this break? Are we going to have a retest and then a continuation this way? Break this level, retest, continuation, bull market is back. It's full cycle. Let's go. Or are we going to have a similar scenario of what happened in 2022, which I just showed you, where there was a fight after a break of the 200 EMA and eventually the sellers won that fight? What do I mean? There was a break, there was a pushback down, a pushback up, eventually there was a break back below, and the moment it broke below, the market came down 60 something percent. I'm not saying it's going to come down as far as 60 something percent this time around, but it's possible that it comes back down to anywhere here, and then we finally have that push. So in the next few weeks, I'm not going to be taking any trade. I'm going to be observing the market and deciding what the market does. So that's going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.